Understanding, replace worn parts, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Replace worn parts. This phrase is not just about fixing things. It's about understanding how to maintain and improve them over time. So, let's dive in and see how this phrase can be applied in everyday situations and learn how to use it correctly. Replace worn parts is a phrase that consists of 3 key words, and understanding each word is crucial to grasping the overall meaning. Replace. This means to take something out and put something new in its place. Worn. When something is worn, it means it has been used a lot and is now damaged, aged, or less effective. Parts. These are the pieces or components that make up a whole item or system. So, when put together, replace worn parts means to remove old or damaged components of something and substitute them with new ones. This phrase is commonly used in mechanical and technical contexts, but it can also apply to other areas of life. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples in different contexts. In everyday life, imagine you have a bicycle, and you use it every day. Over time, the chain might become rusty, and the tires might get worn out. You would replace these worn parts with new ones to ensure your bicycle is safe and works well. In technology, with technology, like computers or smartphones, certain components might start to fail after extensive use. You might need to replace worn parts like the battery or the keyboard to keep the device functioning properly. In business, in a manufacturing plant, machines are used constantly. To avoid breakdowns, maintenance teams regularly replace worn parts to ensure everything runs smoothly. Understanding the phrase, replace worn parts, also highlights the importance of maintenance. By replacing parts that are worn out, you extend the lifespan of items, prevent accidents or failures, save money in the long run by avoiding the need for major repairs. Maintenance is a critical aspect of keeping things in good condition, and by learning this phrase, you're also learning an important life skill. We hope this explanation helps you understand not just the meaning of replace worn parts, but also its importance in various aspects of life and work. Remember, keeping things in good condition is always better than waiting for them to break down. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful lessons in our English language learning series. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.